This is the HY300X mini projector by Magcubic. It offers a 180-degree viewing angle design, auto correction, and electric focus. And inside this video, we're going to be testing it out to see whether or not this is worth it as a budget projector. In order to do that, I'll be breaking down this video into 4 main parts. We'll be starting off with the unboxing of the product, seeing everything that's included. I'll then move into the step-by-step setup while I will cover all of the physical features and the digital features. Then we'll go into an audio and video test to see what this thing is made of, and lastly I'll wrap everything up with my final thoughts. Before we get started, I must say that I was sent this to review inside this video, however all of my thoughts and opinions are my own, and with that being said, here's the unboxing. Inside of the box, we're first going to be greeted with the projector itself. It looks like this. It is extremely compact and tiny, and here you see we have that 180-degree swivel base. On the back, we have a power button, a USB-A port, an HDMI port, and your power port. This definitely is a mini projector. Inside the accessories box, we have a remote control that has all of your standard buttons, including a clicking wheel, a power button, a mouse button, home button, and some volume control. Lastly, we have the power cord and the user manual. Because this has electronic focus, setup should be pretty simple and quick. All you have to do is find a flat surface, plug it in, turn it on, and we're ready to go. Now that we're all set up, I'll go ahead and use the remote to turn it on. The first thing that we're going to see is the Magcubic logo there at the top. Right off the bat, I'm noticing that the fan noise really isn't that loud, which is a great sign because I'm sure that the audio coming from the projector will drown out that fan noise. As a matter of fact, it's only registering at 42 dB. This is what the home screen looks like, but it is definitely out of focus, so we can go ahead and use the focus button here on the remote to get it into focus. And there we go, that looks much better. Once you turn on auto correction, it also corrects the screen so it's flat against the wall. As far as the home screen goes, we have the My Apps section, which will show you all the apps currently downloaded. So we have Screencast, Play Store, Office Suite, Music, and the App Store. It's really nice that they include Play Store on here because you can download anything on the Google Play Store. We also have a settings button here, which will allow you to control the projection settings, the network, Bluetooth, applications, date and time, and other settings. Within the projection settings, you can change the orientation of the projector, you can do digital scaling, auto correction, angle correction, and you can reset everything if you don't like the settings. We have Netflix, Disney Plus, and YouTube installed as far as apps go, but you can always add another app by clicking on that button and then adding apps from the Play Store. You can also click on the HDMI icon to switch inputs if you plug in, say, a Fire Stick, and you can click on the USB icon if you want to project your own media from a USB thumb drive. And that's basically all the features built in. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi, it gives you access to cast from an Android phone or an iPhone. All you have to do is select HY300X, and then you can cast whatever content you want. And just like that, we are casting from my iPhone. As far as screen size goes, we're 48 inches away from the wall, projecting a 58-inch screen. For the audio test, I want to go ahead and play some non-copyrighted music with the volume on full blast. For such a small device, that put out quite a bit of sound, easily drowned out the fan noise, and in my opinion, sounded great for such a small speaker. For the video test, I have some non-copyrighted drone footage of all these different landscapes, so you can check out the whites, the blacks, the different colors, and how vivid the image is. In my personal opinion, it looks pretty good for such a compact mini projector. This is currently playing at 720p, but it offers a very bright and vivid image. So when it comes down to it, is a compact mini projector like the H300X by Magcubic worth buying? And I would argue, yes, it's absolutely worth buying, but make sure to have your expectations set. This isn't going to project an image like a $1,000 projector, and it's not going to sound as good as Bose speakers. There are going to be better Magcubic projectors out there, and I have reviewed a couple, so make sure to click on this card if you want to see those reviews. But when it comes to the HY300X, it's pretty good for the size. It is going to provide a very nice and compact projector experience that's plenty loud enough to drown out sound and also provides a very vivid and bright image. So if you're looking for a mini projector, definitely check out this one by Magcubic. The HY300X is a great option if you're looking for a budget compact projector. In the end, I do recommend it. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos in both the home and tech niches. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It would really help out, and stay tuned for when I release my next review.